Hello users, in this video I am going to show you how to create new user in the software and how to assign the authentication for a particular form. Okay, suppose you want to create a user for sales manager or store manager, and you don't want to give all the authentication to that store manager. Okay, so suppose you don't want to give the authorization of purchase form or purchase return, or you don't want to give the authorization of reports of like ledger, day books, cash book. So whatever the things you want to give, if you want to store manager can use this much of things only, like they can add the sale, they can see the list of sale list, all list. Okay, so he can use only eye checkups. So how you can create the user, how will you create the password for that user, and how you will authenticate that users. Okay, so that things I am going to cover. So first you have to click master, then under master user master is there. So create user means you want to, if you want to create the new user. Okay, and now if you want to check the list of all created users, so at that condition you need to click on user list. So user list will come. Okay, so right now how many users we have? Only 2 users. Okay, so admin is by default, you cannot delete these users. You can create or update existing users which you created. Okay, admin is system generated user and you can't delete. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create new user. So once again just click on user master and create user. Okay, so new window will come. Now here I am giving the new username like test user. Okay, then password I am assigning the password 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever the password you want to assign. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, same password you have to re-enter again. Okay, now this is the user controls, means ki what else option you want to provide. It's a major option, like user can modify the company, either you can check Y or N, only Y and N is allowed. N means ki no, this user cannot modify the company. Then allow modification of vouchers means ki all vouchers like your sale return, purchase return. So can they can they edit the vouchers? So you give the authentication according to them. Okay, then modification of masters. So masters means what? Like your account master or your item masters, like that. Okay, then deletion, once he created the voucher, so he delete the vouchers. So according to the name, it's very clear, you can check and give the permission according to them. Okay, so once you create it, just I'm checking the, now just click on save. So now I saved. Now I'm going to log out from here. Wait, I'm just going to log out from here, like just check the username first. So under list new user will come, test user. Okay, your password is case sensitive, always remember. Now I am going to log out from here, log out. Now again I am going to log in. So company name, test user is our user ID, and password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now just click the login. So now just check, now I got login into the software again. Now I am trying to open add cell, means ki any form under the any of options under the software. So now what's the message coming? You don't have the authorization for this page. Why? Because we created the user only, we not created the we not given the authentication, means ki in all option available in software. So which option is allowed, which page or which menu is allowed for the users. So for that, how you will create? So again you have to enter with the login, with the admin login. So let's say admin and then password, then click on login. Now again we dashboard of the software. From here again you have to go there. So masters, then user master, then now you have to give the authentication. Okay, so authentication. So this is the authentication and it's very clear. See, suppose we have company menu. So under company we have the show detail option, only modify option can be used. Now master, so under master we have this much of modules, same as menu. This is the menu, means ki under master account master, inventory master, bill and other master, user master, same as it is we have here authentication. Like under master, in account master we have this much of things. So just click on masters, so this of things, see, you can see. So under master this much of things it's coming, account master, then account group master list, then account master, the account. So here once you click the master, so under master show detail, under the show detail this will come alphabetically. So let's say you want to check under master, you want to check transport master, so come on T, see, so transport master will come, but menu will 100% menu, where you will get the page name or menu name under the module name only. And one more thing, again if you unable to search that options, so just check the menu like station master, and here we having the option, here you can search, enter the name like transport master, so same as it is menu name, you have to click transport master, okay, and press enter. So see, it will say check under the module. Okay, I will try with another one, like add, like sale list. Okay, so just sale list, and now just press enter, so it will come under the utility. Okay, then purchase, add purchase option, check add purchase, press enter. So in this way you can check all the things. Okay, so this is the things how you will create the new user, and how you will here you will get the new module name, and this is the things how you will create the things. Okay, and if you getting any doubt, please call to our support team, they will help you back. Okay, thank you.